Hold it under so I'll hurt you. Hi.
I'm gonna suction her nose, so I'm gonna put a little bit of normal saline on her nose
Okay.
and then suction.
I gotta wash my hands.
No, you don't like that, huh? No, I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, look at her move. She didn't like that. Get her little boogers out. Hope she breathe. Ooh. Look at her.
Something's coming and she's
strong.
I know, that's awful what I'm doing.
Oh.
She took it out. It's like, no, you're not gonna do that to me.
You're okay. You're okay.
There you go.
There you go. Get you all clean. I know, we're all messing with you. Oh.